A UFO can be seen through a broken piece of glass. Is that right? A Russian man found a broken glass, roughly triangular. The man grows in the video. This glass is black technology. You can see invisible UFOs. Later, and holding this piece of black technology that he looks ran like a series of experiments. In the experiment, the man discovered many mysteries that were beyond comprehension. First, the man attempts to bend his hands. In an instant, grid-like flashes appear on the glass. It's like there's a chip in there, like a circuit board. Then zap him with the lighter's electronics. The glass is instantly transparent. The point is that in the otherwise clear sky, if you look through this glass, you can see a UFO. Still suspended in the air. Remove the glass and he's gone. Is the object really a UFO as he said? Panoramic hanging window fragments? Hello, I am the Universal Ceremony. I have private messages. Let me see this fans. Russian guy pick up an alien. Video of glass shards. I thought it was interesting after reading it. We're going to talk about alien glass seeing UFOs. The video was filmed by a Russian blogger. You've seen this film. This is the first video the blogger uploaded. He said in the video, he found something strange. It looks like glass, but it doesn't feel like glass. It should be made of crystal or something like that. In the video, I can't let you feel this strange feeling. Bloggers are also because of this weird feel. Just left him. That's because we can't be sure what he is. Child. So the blogger said, let's call him glass. That's another reason to keep him. Yes, he has some strange uses. Through him, you can see things you don't normally see. Like this. I think it's marriage. In the video, you can obviously see when he held the broken glass above his head. I actually found one on it. Hovering black disc-shaped aircraft. When taking down the glass, the robot disappeared again. The blogger repeated the experiment several times in the video. In order to facilitate everyone to see more clearly, he started to approach the saucer. When approaching, the blogger took out the fragments. Let's get a closer look at the object. Then this black object. It appears to be suspended in mid-air. Then the blogger said in the video, this thing is often referred to as a UFO. The blogger personally feels they came to Earth a long time ago. People can't find their reasons. It was they who mastered some kind of spectral stealth technology so that we can't find them. And he moves underneath the object. I want everyone to see if there's a power plant on the bottom of the saucer. As a result, when the blogger walked under the flying saucer, the saucer disappears. He looked elsewhere again. Nothing. The first video is over. So this video, the blogger explains several important issues. Aliens may have arrived on Earth very early. 2. We can't find them. It's because they have some kind of stealth technology. This technology, not only does it have to be undetectable by radar, spectral invisibility, we can't even see them with the naked eye. This glass-like object in his hand. There should be some kind of technology or form technology. Take him. You can see the flying saucer hidden in the air. In the second video that followed, the blogger showed you two sections. Broken glass. Broken glass takes on a triangle shape and broke into two parts. He said in the video that judging from the broken incision, they should be one. The blogger doesn't know why. Broke him into two sections. And the strange thing is that this glass should be transparent. You can obviously see in the last video. Even in the comments section of the last video, others said it was a piece of acrylic glass. So the blogger explained in this video, even if he is a piece of acrylic glass, how does he refract? You see the black dress below. If he were a piece of transparent acrylic glass, should it be directly transparent? Have you seen black clothes? But he's reflecting the light. It is obvious in the video. Curtains and ceilings. After the blogger picked it up, he will become transparent again. And this glass, it seems to have an isolation function only for black. The blogger said in the video, he tested it with other colors. This will not happen. And then he showed the fracture. There are two semicircular signs at the fracture. Follow and say through these two signs and the fracture surface and the cut surface can judge. The two fragments should be from a large piece of glass. A broken part. He is also scissors. The glass place has been searched many times. I only found these two pieces that you see. After this video ends, countless netizens began to ask exactly was this glass found. Some netizens said that glass cannot transmit light. I see the black clothes because of the light. It's not that this glass has a particular material. Of course, some netizens said in the comments that it was all fake. But although there are many doubts in the comment area, however, a small number of netizens this believe is literally a piece of glass with alien technology. So the blogger never questioned those questions. Did any positive answers, especially where did you find the glass? Asked the blogger from start to finish. None of them answered questions about the origin of the glass. And then the blogger posted a third video. He's standing underneath a cell tower. To prove that I don't have peas, he cuts the angle of the video to the street again. So I took the glass, and I started looking for the waste. I can't find it after searching
When
for
the
a long
blogger
time.
is about to give up,
A fast-moving object appeared in blogger's lens.
black.
The UFO in the video burrows into the clouds. To prove that he did not cheat, he cuts back into the street. After watching the lady on the street, he cuts to another part of the cloud. The result is 2 UFOs. It really came through the clouds on the other side. Let's take a look at it slowly. What are these 2 things? Now, this is interesting. These 2 UFOs are not our most common type of disc, but 2 unknown spheres. This set of netizens is really fried. Most people think so. The blogger seems to be fooling everyone. What if this thing is real? That's certainly not possible. This is not an irrational question. So we can find aliens. Aliens can't agree either. But the blogger also ignored these comments. Continue to upload your own videos. So here comes the next video. In this video, he doesn't talk much nonsense. It directly shows the distant flying saucer. But suddenly, the right side of the video, 2 unidentified objects moving extremely fast. It also looks like a 2-disc aircraft. You are beautiful. At this speed, he is very fast. Slow it down 20 times to see his overall shape. After this video is uploaded, the netizens really can't sit still. Countless netizens began to question the authenticity and bombarded the comment section with comments. He had to do all sorts of tests on the glass. So in the next video, the blogger took into account the opinions of several netizens. Ready to do a few small tests on the glass. First of all, he prepared a transparent container. It's filled with water. Before the experiment, he said that there are viewers in the comment section who after the object enters the water, will it merge with water? Does it have waterproof function? Then he threw the glass into the water. It seems that the stealth effect is not very good. The waterproof effect is more general, just like our normal glass. Then he got another lighter, took out the electrons inside. He was about to shock the glass with an electron. And then something even more amazing happened. Everyone hold your breath. We way horror video. Every night. This one is awesome. This glass is really black. Technology. It can be completely invisible when powered on. If it is true, as the blogger said, it can isolate black. You can achieve total stealth by flying at night. But I don't know if the power is wrong. This glass is broken. Glass is still in a bad mood and no longer. How do you call him later? He can't even be invisible. The devil is angry. Throw away the electrons. How about this test video this time? Very attentive. The effect is also quite good. I put it down slowly and took care of the details very well. You can take a look. Not all glass is invisible when electrocuted, but large areas. There is no invisible part, just at the fracture, as if to suggest to us the circuit at the fracture may be damaged, so it can't function as stealth. This detail is really strong. That's even scarier. Is it still in the back? Video? The blogger tried to break the glass with both hands. When he exerted his strength, something terrible happened. Up. Slow down. Glowing interlayers of grids appear in the middle of the glass. There are circuit boards in the mezzanine. It seems only when the glass is hit will appear. Isn't that amazing? This glass is not just black technology. It's alien black technology. He has invisible light isolation, color, and technology above human level. Then this thing is much better than radar. Radar scans for unidentified objects. You have to confirm the direction and then track it. No need for this. You install it on the glass of the plane. You can see them with your naked eye. So in the comment section of this video, many people think he could be the glass in the UFO hanging window. The UFO, I don't know why, it fell somewhere. The blogger just happened to pass by. Picked up 2 shards of glass on the Fiji hanging window. Only this guess. It is more in line with the characteristics and origin of this glass. However, the blogger is concerned about these issues. It was a week later, uploaded a few very strange videos at once. In the video, he claims, the videos I shot before are all fake, and it has also updated several. It looks fake. This confused the fans. A week before and after. What exactly happened to this blogger? Even if the previous video was edited by software, the standard of these videos It doesn't fit his production style either. In the speculations of the blogger made another unexpected operation. He put all previous videos have been deleted. Only these fake-looking videos are left. The netizens launched a response to these very fake videos. The results of the investigation were, he was mysteriously displeased by the military coerced, because careful netizens found in his last video, there are obvious signs of trauma on the arm. This means he is injured. He should be with some mysterious organization, physical contact, or he has been imprisoned by some mysterious organization. The channel has not been updated since then. The netizens didn't find it in reality either. Any clues about this bloggers? What about the story? It doesn't look much different. We've talked a lot about this kind of blogger before. Like what? A blogger who uses alchemy to create villains. He is also bizarre. According to the report, he should have passed away. Let's take another example. Giant sightings we talked about in previous installments. The protagonist of the event. Also about 2 months after the sighting of the sudden break, strange death. The blogger in the video. It is also missing now. Life and death uncertain. If you say, the first to really paid with their lives, then the situation is not optimistic. Countless netizens also feel that he is being controlled or imprisoned. It's even been disposed of. After all, this kind of technology, it can affect the whole world. But I personally don't think so. Let's put aside the technical aspects first. Just look at the distance. Take this video, for example. First of all, the distance, as you can see in the video, it's not far from us. Only 1 street away. There's a swarm of UFOs over the chimney. No hovering in the air. White smoke coming out of the chimney. We can also determine these UFOs are not far from the chimney. They're right in front of the white rock. If the UFO is behind the white rock, will be blocked by white rock. You can't see anything. In proportion to the distance across the street. Even if he were a real UFO, it would be the size of an eagle. A UFO the size of an eagle. Is it too small? If there really are aliens in there, it's not going to go over 20 centimeters by 1 centimeter. Aliens can't even eat their waste in it. So I personally think the video can't be real. Let's put it another way. Such bizarre black technology, wherever you are, it's impossible for you to make a video like this. Do you really think the intelligence services of various countries? Do they all eat dry rice? All I can say is, and the videographers get really creative. I am the universal ceremony. My channel explores the universe and unsolved mysteries. Friends, remember to subscribe. See you next time.